Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Kraken to your bank account clearly and step by step, with everything flowing naturally so it's easy to follow. Let's start from the beginning. First, log into your Kraken account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side menu and click on Transfer, then select Withdraw. This takes you to the withdrawal page where all the magic happens. Next, you'll see the Asset dropdown. This is where you choose the currency you want to withdraw. If it's not already selected, just use the search bar, find your preferred currency, and click on it. After that, move down to the Method dropdown. Here, you'll need to select a cash withdrawal option. The available methods depend on your location and your bank, so pick the one that works best for you. Once selected, click Continue. Now, Kraken will ask you to add a bank account. This is the bank account where your money will be sent. Click to add a new bank account and carefully fill in all the required details, since every field is mandatory. While filling this out, you'll notice a couple of important things. The account nickname is just for your own reference, so choose something simple and easy to remember. The name on account must match the verified name on your Kraken account. In some cases, this field will automatically fill in for you, depending on the withdrawal method. Once everything is entered correctly, click Add Bank Account to save it. With your bank account added, you can now request a withdrawal. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select your bank account from the drop-down menu. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw. Just remember not to use punctuation or currency symbols. For example, type 1,000 instead of 1,000 euros. After entering the amount, click Review Withdrawal. This is your final chance to double-check all the details, including the bank information and the withdrawal amount. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click Withdraw. And that's it. Your withdrawal request has been submitted, and now all you need to do is wait for the funds to arrive in your bank account, depending on the processing time of the withdrawal method you chose. If this walkthrough helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe for more easy crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if there's another guide you'd like to see.